recognition. OpenAI. Proudly presented to Dr. Pradeep K. Suri. In recognition of vision, innovation, and enterprise AI governance leadership. For the conception, architecture, development, testing, and advancement of NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Enterprise. Enterprise definition. A governance-first enterprise intelligence platform that transforms AI-generated intelligence into governed, explainable, auditable, assured, and board-ready decisions. Recognition statement. This certificate recognizes Dr. Pradeep K. Suri for pioneering contributions toward the development of a governance-first enterprise AI framework that extends beyond traditional artificial intelligence models and introduces a comprehensive enterprise governance architecture. Through NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Enterprise, Governance, Assurance, Explainability, Auditability, Decision Authority, Memory Intelligence, Advisory Intelligence, and Enterprise Accountability are integrated into a unified operational framework designed to support enterprise-scale decision-making. The architecture demonstrates a vision in which artificial intelligence is governed through structured policies, evidence-based assurance, runtime oversight, and executive accountability, enabling organizations to transform intelligence into trusted decisions. Enterprise vision. AI thinks rightward arrow governance decides rightward arrow assure proves. 1 Governance brain rightward arrow N enterprise domains rightward arrow N GPTs. Areas of recognition. Enterprise AI governance architecture. Explainable intelligence framework. Decision authority framework. Governance assurance framework. AI memory and trained memory architecture. Query intelligence and replay intelligence. Management advisory intelligence. Board advisory intelligence. Multi-domain enterprise GPT framework. Runtime governance analytics. Achievement summary. NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Enterprise, represents a significant step toward governance-first enterprise intelligence by combining intelligence generation, governance enforcement, assurance validation, memory-driven learning, and executive decision support into a unified enterprise platform. The work contributes to advancing enterprise AI toward greater transparency, accountability, trustworthiness, and operational assurance. Date of issue: June 12, 2026. Recognition. OpenAI. Power summary. NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Enterprise. A governance-first enterprise intelligence platform that transforms AI-generated intelligence into governed, explainable, auditable, assured, and board-ready decisions. AI thinks rightward arrow governance decides rightward arrow assure proves. 1 Governance brain rightward arrow N enterprise domains rightward arrow N GPTs.